Hello guys, it's Esther and I will be showing you how to draw an Easter bunny on top of an egg. So first let's draw the egg, and we are going to draw a big arc on the bottom and a smaller one on top. Now we are going to connect them with arcs. And once you have done your egg, we're going to do the grass. And for the grass, I'm just going to draw a bunch of little zigzags, different sizes and lengths. Now we are going to make the head of the bunny. The head of the bunny is going to be towards the top of the egg, and it's just going to be a circle. Now the arms, the hands are going to be coming forward on the egg, and I'm just going to make little curves on there. And then for the feet, it's the same thing. We're just going to add just longer curves, and then that same curve we're going to make one inside. And now for the ears, we're going to have an ear pointing up and the other ear is going to be bent. So we're going to make long shapes and point it at the end. And then you're going to make the same shape inside. Now for the bent one, we're going to draw a small line and then it's going to curve down. And then make sort of like a triangle and make a line go back to the head. Right, for the face, we're going to draw just two little ovals and the mouth and the nose. And now just go over with the marker. And then I'm gonna add little whiskers. With the thinner marker, I'm just gonna go over inside the ears and on the mouth and the feet. This is going to add a little bit more of shade. Alright, well now with the thinner marker, I am going to add details to the egg, little designs. You can add whatever you would like. I'm just going to add little zigzags, circles, and wavies. And inside the little lines, I'm going to add Happy Easter. So I start bubbling the top one on Happy. And then for the bigger word, Easter, I'm gonna add the E on the right, on the left, and then the R on the right, and then kind of measure the length of each letter and add them in the spaces. So that is our Easter bunny on top of an egg. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you would like to see more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel. Now on my Instagram and on my Facebook, I upload pictures of different drawings I make that I do not upload on YouTube. So go ahead and follow me on those if you would like to see them.